Review Hub.
Brand name XSDTS, model number Q8. XSDTS model DF03. Suitable for Mortise 60-68. Fit door thickness 40 to 90 millimeters. Color black. Material carved alloy. Charging support USB charge. Connectivity Wi-Fi. Material aluminum alloy. At name Tuya Smart Life. Power supply built-in rechargeable battery. Handle direction reversible. Doorknob function biometric and keypad. Unlock method fingerprint, password, IC card, mechanical key, and app and other. Ways to unlock app, mechanical keys, card.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.